Hello, friends of the internet. Welcome back to the Driven Dave YouTube channel. I'm glad to have you with me. Do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Today on the channel, one of the things that I've really enjoyed about having a YouTube channel, and especially one that's focused around the car I drive, is accessories. And all of you that are friends with me in real life, you know that in everything I do, whether it's music, cars, whatever, I do love me some accessories. So today, my friends at Evooor have hooked me up with this, the armrest cover. And this is really, really nice. As you know, I spend quite a bit of time driving in the car, particularly on long road trips. Even just local road trips, which, you know, I've been known to do, 280 miles in a day under, nightmare conditions. So comfort is kind of like number one for me. And this is really nice. This is a nice way to kind of spruce up your interior and add a level of comfort for your arm when you rest it on your center console. It's really, really nice. I've already test fit it and tried it out, and I just wanted to show you all how to put it on and then what it's going to look like when you're all done. So let's get into it. All right, my friends, let's get into it. Here you can see we've got the armrest cover. All I'm going to do is flip this up. Now you will notice I do have this little hidden cubby thing here. This will not completely impede that, but it will make it a little bit less convenient. Just word to the wise if you happen to have that. Although truth be told, for me, I've had this for, as long as I've had the car pretty much. I never use this. So it's not something that I would miss. I would much rather have a cover for my armrest. So as you can see, I'm just kind of sliding this down. It's a little harder to do one-handed, but it's still super easy. And I just want these elastic bands to kind of clear the armrest mechanism here, the little latch. It's really the only thing it has to make its way over. And hopefully you can see this okay. Again, one-handed, not the easiest. Let's take a look. And at this point, I kind of just want this to line up. So I'm just going to scooch this forward just a little bit. And as you can see, the elastic bands do a really good job just kind of aligning everything in place. And as I mentioned, I can still access this little cubby if I want to. It's just, got to reach through the bands. Not a big deal for me, as I don't even use it in the first place. And that's it. I wish there was more I could tell you, but that's all there is to it. It's super easy. All you do is just slide it over and enjoy. And as you can see, it's got this really nice stitched leather on top. It's just, I'm gonna enjoy just playing with this in traffic. And also just putting my elbow on it. It's got a nice thick padding. I've seen a lot of Teslas where this material of the armrest gets torn up by people's elbows and stuff. That's usually not something that happens with my cars, but I tend to indent them from my elbow. So it's a nice thing. I don't mind indenting this because I can get a new one of these for very little money. And again, protect my armrest and have a little bit of extra padding. So I am just really loving this, and huge thank you to Evooor for sending this out. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, please check the link in the description. I will have discount codes for you. And like I said, it's just such an easy upgrade and such a nice upgrade. I mean, it's really kind of a no-brainer. I've been wanting one of these since I got my car, and really, really happy that I have it now. So hope you really enjoyed this. I hope you find it helpful. Don't forget to order one of these, and drop a comment down below if you have one of these for yourself and you love it, which I can't imagine why you wouldn't, but I'd love to hear from you. So in any case, my friends, that's all I've got for you today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay driven.